Alright guys, we are in the Ferris wheel on American Village, and we just got on, and it doesn't stop, and so you are literally having to like run to get in one of them, but it goes super slow. So yeah, here's the outside right now, but trust me, it'll get super tall. But you can see the Ferris wheel from our hotel, so we're hoping to see if we can spot our hotel. Heads up, we are moving into our house on Wednesday.
Listen to Abigail, blah,
So,
blah, blah, blah,
blah. Be expecting a house tour because it's coming, guys. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. I will show you guys once we get further up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Once subscribed, push the little bell so that you're notified when I post a new video. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.